together for 3 years, and they've had championship runs. Obviously, by this time, you know, you already know each other so well. Oh no, Sobe Buena holding on to her knee. Just as we said in the pregame, that we were hoping that this would be the last of injuries. The ones that we mentioned in the pregame, there are a couple already from Ateneo, a couple from UST. And Buena, who missed the first 2 games on a sprained ankle, is now being moved to the stretcher. We don't want to speculate what it's about. And again, she's been playing lights out for Ateneo. 17.5 points the last couple of games. They're going to try to immobilize her now, just for safety and precautionary purposes. Here's that landing. It was a little bit awkward. It's that right knee that buckled. Yep. Well, remember, they lost already J-Lo prior to the season, Zeldson Asima the last time. And we pray for her and her recovery, and which I'm sure her family are watching this match. And the pride.